Hello friends, welcome back to QuickBudgetBites, where we help you save money and eat well when you're restudying or working hard. Today we are doing something different for our Friday episode. Do you guys remember in episode 41, we made 10 fun snacks under 50 cents? And then last week in episode 50, we did another round of 10 fun snacks under 50 cents? Well today, we're going to combine all 20 snacks from both videos into one long 10-minute compilation, so you can enjoy all your favorite easy budget eats snacks without having to wait. So get ready because things are about to get saucy. No one. Crispy sweet potato fries, 30 cents. We're starting off the list with these crispy sweet potato fries. All you need to do is wash and cut up 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes into fry shapes. Then in a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add the sweet potato fries to the bowl and toss them around until they are all coated in the seasoning. Finally, spread the fries out on a baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the fries are tender and slightly crispy. They're day and delicious. Crispy sweet potato. Fries that are healthier than regular potato fries, and they cost only 30 cents per serving. Number 2, savory mini pancakes, 40 cents. Now these savory mini pancakes are actually really cool and versatile because you can serve them sweet or savory, and they also look really fancy. So if you're looking for an impressive yet easy appetizer to serve your friends, this is it. Okay, first you want to mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar in a large bowl. Then in a separate bowl, mix together 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. It's 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. After that, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until the batter is just combined. You don't want to overmix. Then heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour 1/4 cup of the batter onto the griddle for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown, and cook through. And now for the fun part, you can serve these mini pancakes. Sweet by sprinkling them with powdered sugar and syrup, or savory by topping them with salsa and shredded cheese. Either way, they're delicious, and they cost only 40 cents per serving. No, 3 tangy fruit salad, 30 cents. This fruit salad is so refreshing, tangy, and perfect for summertime. It will literally make you feel like you're in an exciting tropical paradise. Start by chopping up 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of watermelon chunks, and 1 cup of mango chunks. Then in a bowl, gently toss everything together with 1/4 cup of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And that's it. You have a delicious tangy fruit salad ready to eat. If you want to make it even more special, you can add a scoop of ice cream or frozen yogurt, and it's still only 30 cents per serving. No, 4 spicy tofu bites, 40 cents. These spicy tofu bites are perfect as an appetizer or a snack. They're super easy and take only 5 minutes to make. First, press a block of firm tofu to remove excess water, then cube the tofu into 1-inch pieces. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon of black vinegar. Next, add the tofu cubes and toss them around until they are well coated. Then, in a separate bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. Add the tofu cubes and continue tossing them around until they're evenly coated. Finally, place the tofu bites on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake them in a preheated oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown and slightly crispy. And that's it. You have perfectly crispy and spicy tofu bites ready to eat. No, 5 cheesy corn cups, 40 cents. This recipe is super cheesy, affordable, and fun to make. You can make it ahead of time, so it's great for meal prepping. To begin, drain 1 can of whole kernel corn and then add it to a bowl. Let's mix in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. After that, spoon the mixture into the bottoms of 6 muffin cups. And that's basically it. You could technically stop right here and have delicious cheesy corn muffins. But if you want to make it fancier, you can top each muffin with even more cheese or corn chips, and then bake it in a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once they're done, let them cool down for a few minutes before carefully taking them out of the muffin tin and enjoy. No, 6. Lemon yogurt. Ice drink, 30 cents. This drink is so refreshing, creamy, and perfect for summer. It takes only 5 minutes to make, and it's really versatile, so feel free to add other fruits or herbs to change up the flavor. To begin, combine 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of ice cubes, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Then pour the mixture through a strainer to remove any lumps, and then serve. Number 7, cheese sausage skewers, 60 cents. These cheese sausage skewers are cheesy, savory, and they make a great party appetizer. Plus, they're really easy to make. So to begin, cube 1 pound of smoked sausage into bite-sized pieces, and then thread the sausage cubes onto wooden skewers. You should be able to fit 4 sausage cubes per skewer. Then in a small bowl, combine 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of ranch dressing, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. After that, spread the cheese mixture evenly onto the sausage cubes. Finally, grill the skewers over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and the sausage is heated through, and that's it. You have delicious cheesy sausage skewers ready to eat. No. 8 milk jelly with boba, 50 cents. This milk jelly with boba is not only fun to make, but it's also really delicious and refreshing. So to begin, mix together 1 packet of unflavored gelatin and 1/2 cup of sugar in a large bowl. Then slowly whisk in 2 cups of milk until the gelatin is completely dissolved. After that, pour the mixture into a mold or individual cups and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight until the milk has set into a jelly. Once it's set, cut the jelly into cubes and then layer the cubes with boba in a glass. You can use any type of jelly for this recipe, so feel free to experiment with different flavors and toppings. But personally, my favorite combination is milk jelly with boba and mango. Number 9, creamy avocado toast, 70 cents. This recipe is avocado toast, but better because it's extra creamy, filling, and delicious. And it's also really easy to make. To begin, toast 2 slices of bread and then mash half of a ripe avocado with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper in a bowl. Spread the mixture evenly onto the toast and top with cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil, and that's it. You have creamy avocado toast ready to eat. And finally, number 10, DIY budget bento sushi balls, 80 cents. These sushi balls are a fun twist to traditional sushi. They're portable, easy to make, and they look super cute. So to begin, cook 1 cup of sushi rice according to the package instructions. Then let the rice cool down before adding 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything together until the rice is evenly coated. After that, lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo sushi mat and add a spoonful of the rice. Roll the sushi mat into a tight log and then use a sharp knife to cut the log into 6 equal pieces. Now comes the fun part. Roll each sushi piece in sesame seeds and then shape it into a ball. You can serve the sushi balls as is, or you can get creative and add fillings such as crab salad, avocado, or cucumber. Hey guys, thanks for watching another Quick Budget Bites video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing because we release new budget-friendly recipes every single Friday. Again, it's me from QuickBudgetBites, and as always, eat well and save money.